Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about midwifery and obstetrical nursing one question paper. This question paper will be useful for BSc Nursing third year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year August 2021. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. So the question paper code is 348. So this question paper is taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year August 2021 for third year BSc Nursing students. So it is part 1, midwifery and obstetrics part 1, whereas part 2 you will be learning in fourth year. So this time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks allotted is 75 marks. So let's see what are all the questions they have asked in this question paper. So as usual in essay session we have 3 questions. Out of those 3 questions you have to answer any 2. 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. So in all the 3 questions you have subdivisions 1A and 1B, 2A and 2B, 3A, B and C. Like that you have subdivisions. So let's see what are all the questions they have asked. 1A, define postnatal care, 2 marks. 1B, explain the postnatal advice to the postnatal mother. 1A is define postnatal care, which is for 2 marks. 1B is explain the postnatal advice to the postnatal mother. So here 2 plus 13 is equal to 15 marks. Second question is 2A, enumerate the signs and symptoms of pregnancy. 2A is enumerate the signs and symptoms of pregnancy, which is for 5 marks. 2B, discuss the diagnosis of pregnancy. 2B is discuss the diagnosis of pregnancy, which is for 10 marks. So 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 marks. Next 3A is define colostrum. 3A is define colostrum. 3B is describe the physiology of lactation. So 3B is describe the physiology of lactation. 3C is list the advantages of breastfeeding. 3C is list the advantages of breastfeeding. So for 3A it is 3 marks, 3B it is 3 marks and for 3C it is 9 marks. 3 plus 3 plus 9 is equal to 15 marks. Next, moving on to short notes. So as usual they will be giving 7 short notes. Out of those 7 short notes you have to answer only 5. So let's see what are all the questions they have asked in 5 marks. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. Fourth question, antenatal diet. Fourth question, antenatal diet. Fifth question, characteristics of the newborn. Fifth question, characteristics of the newborn. Sixth question, discuss the role of maternity nurse in the prevention of maternal mortality. Sixth question, discuss the role of maternity nurse in the prevention of maternal mortality. Seventh question, amniocentesis. Seventh question is amniocentesis. Eighth question is teenage pregnancy. Eighth question, teenage pregnancy. Ninth question, levels of neonatal care. Ninth question, levels of neonatal care. 10th question, immunization. 10th question, immunization. So these are all the questions what they have asked in 5 marks. So you have to answer only 5 questions out of 7. Next, moving on to brief answers which carries 2 marks. So they will be giving 10 brief answers. You don't have any choice for this brief answers. You have to answer all the 10 and each question carries 2 marks. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. 11th question, define home and sign. 11th question is define home and sign. 12th question is define Braxton-Hicks contraction. 12th question is define Braxton-Hicks contraction. 13th question define oxytocin. 13th question define oxytocin. 14th question define RCH. 14th question define RCH. 15th question define CST. 15th question define CST. 16th question define episiotomy. 16th question define episiotomy. 17th question define altitude. 17th question is define altitude. 18th question is define cloasma. 18th question is define cloasma. 19th question is define living ligages. 19th question is define living ligages. 20th question is define fertilization. 20th question is define fertilization. So this is with regard to brief answers. See, we have posted many question paper related videos as well as subject related videos in our channel playlist. You can watch those videos and you can get benefited. Next, we have posted many videos related to important 2 marks questions answer key also. You can watch those videos also and you can utilize it. So once the syllabus is going to get changed, so the midwifery part 1 and part 2 will be placed in 4th year. So this till 2021 it will be in this 3rd year, but from academic year 2021 to 22 onwards, this will be posted in 4th year. So from next year onwards, the videos what you are seeing in 3rd year subject that will be applicable to 4th year, because midwifery 1 and midwifery 2 you are going to learn in 4th year, which will be combined. Okay, hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end cards and iCards, so you can go and have a look into those videos and you can get benefited. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel. Thank you friends.